Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of electrical components, specifically breakers, contactors, and solid-state relays. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just curious about these components, first up, let's talk about circuit breakers. These guys are essential for protecting, our circuits. It's like a safety net, interrupting the flow of electricity when there is a fault. Imagine you are cooking and for some reason you have plugged so many appliances into the breaker and suddenly the breaker trips. This is a way of preventing a fire or damage to your appliances. Pretty cool, right? Now, when it comes to switching large power applications, contactors are your go-to. Unlike breakers, which primarily protect, contactors are designed to control high voltage with the help of their relays. For heavy machineries, they can handle a lot of current and can also be controlled remotely. So if you are working on an industrial project, these are actually your key players. Now let's chat about solid state. Solid state relays, or SSR as they call them, are like the tech savvy cousins of traditional contactors or relays. These use semiconductor devices, to switch load instead of mechanical components, which means they are faster, more reliable, and they don't wear out as quickly as traditional relays or contactors. And they're very efficient, and they are the way to go when you want to work with the efficient circuits. Now, I actually do a bit of troubleshooting down to component level. This means getting hands on, figuring out what's going wrong with the circuits or our components. It's like, being a detective, right? You often find that, understanding these components, how they interact, can save a lot of headache down the line. So I want to really thank you so much for joining me today. And I hope the breakdown of breakers, contactors, and solid states, have really given you some insight into their roles in electrical systems. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment. Until then, stay safe and keep experimenting with me. Thank you.